Good day mga kapatid! Check out my Trek Marlin 6 Gen 3 with the EXA 900i dropper post. As my advice for Trek owners of the Gen 2 and the Gen 3, never ever drill a hole in the frame just to install a dropper post. Alright, because I have routed this dropper post successfully internally. You're just gonna route it here. This is the lever. Alright, going down here, and then down the down tube. Move the bottom bracket in the shell. There's a hole that would connect the seat tube and the down tube. Alright. So you don't need to drill a hole on your frame just to install a dropper post.